Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shefali and I make videos related to makeup and beauty. Today's video is really special because today I'm creating pink halo eyes. Here you can use any of your pink eyeshadows or even the blushes that you don't tend to use. For the crease you can take any brown color that you have and then taking pink color from your palette, and even the blushes too. Start building the color from the corners. Don't worry if the color doesn't show up, it will eventually show up after some blending. Make sure that you leave the middle portion of your eyelid empty because this is where we will put the gold color to create that halo effect. Don't worry if it looks messy now, things will fall into place by the end of the video. It isn't as difficult as it looks in the video. All you have to do is build up the pink color, leave the empty portion, and then apply the gold color. Now taking any gold color in your palette or even your highlighter, fill that empty place on your eyelid so as to create that halo effect. You can recreate this look for any wedding. It is super easy and super quick. Just keep on watching. Once I build the gold color, I will blend everything into place. This is to ensure that there are no harsh lines and you don't look like a panda. Make sure that you invest in good blending brushes because blending brushes are a real game changer. Then I will take my glitter palette and I will apply gold glitter on top of the halo on my eyelid. This is to pop the look, but if you're going for a day wedding you can totally skip it. It's based on your discretion. Once again, blending everything in with a blending brush. If you want to take this look a notch higher, you can put a hint of black color on the edges so as to turn it into a smoky pink eye. I applied little bit of black color on the edges. Make sure that you control the amount of black color that you apply. Now I would highlight my brow bone using my MAC highlighter. I would now remove the scotch tape that I applied. I applied my eyeliner, eyebrows and foundation offline. So you do not want to draw attention away from your eyes, and since this look is full of bling, I would like to apply less highlighter on my face today because you do not want to end up looking like a disco ball. To maintain balance on my face, I would try to keep this look as matte as possible. But since it's a pink halo eye, I am going for pink bold lips. Who doesn't love pink, right? I'm gonna set this with my MAC setting spray, Prep and Prime, and here I am. If you happen to like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Please comment below if you would like to know more about the products that I used and the brushes that I used. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.